Have you ever stopped to think about how Taylor Swift's story is a true lesson in reinvention and overcoming obstacles? Throughout her career, she has not only conquered the biggest stages in the world, but also knew how to turn challenges and controversies into strengths for her growth. From a young artist from Pennsylvania to one of the most influential figures in music and pop culture, her journey has been marked by bold decisions, legal battles, and of course, plenty of talent. But did Taylor always have it all under control, or are there secrets behind her success? Get ready to discover the highs and lows of her journey and how she used every challenge to write her own story of triumph. Learn English, English through story. Topic 1. Beginning of the career and release of the first album. When Taylor Swift was born in 1989, no one could have imagined she would become one of the biggest names in global music. From a young age, she showed a natural talent for country music, influenced by greats like Dolly Parton and Shania Twain. At 14 years old, she was already signing a contract with Big Machine Records. In late 2006, Taylor released her debut self-titled album, Taylor Swift. The album was an instant success, especially with the song Tim McGraw, which quickly became a hit. She was just starting her journey, and what seemed like a simple debut would soon become a global phenomenon. But it didn't stop there. Though she started in country music, Taylor always had a unique ability to tell stories through her songs. The way she used her voice and the lyrics of her songs resonated with many, creating a special connection with her fans. Interestingly, Tim McGraw was not only a milestone for its commercial success, but also for being her first appearance on the charts, something she had never experienced before. Learn English with Story. And who would have thought that the shy girl from Reading, Pennsylvania, would begin shaping the music scene with her heartfelt lyrics? She was on the right path to conquering the world. Moreover, Taylor became the youngest artist to sign a contract with Big Machine Records, and this brief partnership would prove crucial for her growth in the industry. This initial contract was her first step into something that seemed unreal to many. She was about to transform the music world by combining her talent with global reach. And who could have imagined that this modest start would turn into a story of success and overcoming obstacles? This journey, which began with small steps, was just the first milestone of a career filled with other remarkable moments. Now, let's see how she took the next step in the journey that would change her life forever. English through story. Topic 2. Conquering worldwide success with Fearless. In 2008, Taylor took a monumental step in her career with the release of Fearless, an album that would mark her transition to a whole new level of success. The perfect blend of country with pop elements attracted an even larger audience. Singles like Love Story and You Belong With Me became true anthems, and the album quickly won the Grammy for Album of the Year. The most impressive part was that with this win, Taylor became the youngest artist in history to receive this prestigious award. Imagine the impact this had not only on music, but on her personal and professional life. Additionally, Fearless wasn't just known for being a commercial success, but also for being one of the most critically acclaimed albums. With more than 10 million copies sold worldwide, it became the top-selling album of 2009 in the United States, and its influence crossed borders, taking Taylor to new heights. It's no surprise that she began to achieve more than just chart success. She was becoming an icon, and Fearless was the key to that transformation. Learn EnglishThroughStory, English listening practice. It's amazing to think that this album helped Taylor become one of the most influential artists of the decade. It's also worth noting that this album not only brought forth big hits, but also solidified Taylor's image as a talented songwriter and an artist with immense potential to grow even further. She had already mastered the art of turning personal experiences into songs that resonated deeply with her audience, and Fearless was the stepping stone that catapulted her into global prominence. And don't forget, this story doesn't stop here. Let's take a look at what happened next in her journey. Topic 3. Transition to pop with 1989. In 2014, Taylor Swift did something unexpected, but it turned out to be a brilliant move. She made the definitive leap from country to pop with the release of 1989, an album that was completely different from anything she had done before. Inspired by the 80s, the album featured electronic beats and synthesizers, mixed with Taylor's unique style. Singles like Shake It Off, Blank Space, and Bad Blood dominated the charts and proved she was ahead of her time. Without a doubt, it was a total reinvention, but done in such an authentic way that no one doubted her ability to transform without losing her essence. What's most impressive about 1989 is that Taylor didn't just take a risk by changing genres, but she did it brilliantly. The album was a massive success, both critically and commercially. 1989 earned her a second Grammy for Album of the Year, making her the first woman to win this award twice. Interestingly, in 2014, the album sold over 10 million copies, an impressive number, especially in an era when album sales were on the decline. Taylor didn't just maintain her success, she expanded it to an even broader audience. GradedReader, Learn English with Story. Who could imagine that the girl with a guitar was now dominating the pop charts with such ease? This shift to pop didn't just solidify Taylor's status as a versatile artist, but it also placed her at the center of the global pop culture. She knew exactly what she wanted and how to achieve it, creating a formula for success that blended captivating music with lyrics that touched people's hearts. The most incredible part is that this transition only set the stage for the next chapters of her career. Are you curious to see what happened next? Let's explore the next phase of Taylor's journey. Topic 4. Reputation and the comeback against controversies. In 2017, Taylor Swift shocked everyone with the release of Reputation, an album that marked a radical change in her sound and image. After being involved in various controversies with the media, she decided to transform the negativity into art, creating a darker, more aggressive album. The tracks spoke of revenge, empowerment, and overcoming, with hits like Look What You Made Me Do and Delicate standing out. Taylor didn't just respond to the critics, she came back stronger, showing the world she was much more than the stories being told about her. The music video for Look What You Made Me Do, for example, made history by being the most watched video in the first 24 hours after its release, with over 43 million views. This wasn't just a record, but a statement of Taylor's power to dominate both the media and the music scene. The album brought out a new side of the singer, bolder and ready to face the adversities life threw at her. The way she used music to deal with her personal experiences only made her fans connect even more with her. Learn English under English through story. The impact of Reputation was profound. Taylor not only maintained her relevance, but also reached new audiences by exploring a style that was more electronic and focused on heavy beats. She was reinventing herself once again, without losing the authenticity that made her famous. She had proven that, despite controversies, she could rise above them and come out even stronger. But as we know, Taylor never stops surprising us. What's next in her story? Stay tuned for the next chapter of her journey. Topic 5. Return to roots with folklore and evermore. In 2020, amidst the global pandemic, Taylor Swift took an unexpected and, in a way, more introspective direction with the release of Folklore. Instead of sticking to her more produced pop line from previous albums, she turned to a gentler style inspired by indie and folk music. The result was a minimalist album with soft songs and deeply emotional lyrics. Tracks like Cardigan and Exile quickly won fans' hearts, and critics praised this more genuine and vulnerable approach. For English listening practice, listening to these songs felt like Taylor was opening a window into her personal world, more honest than ever before. And it didn't stop there. In the same year, Taylor released Evermore, a kind of continuation of folklore, exploring similar themes with equally rich and captivating sound. Both albums became a complete experience, with Folklore reaching the top of the charts and winning Taylor another Grammy for Album of the Year. The way she reinvented her sound during this time was impressive and showed her ability to adapt. Instead of succumbing to the chaos around her, she turned it into art, delivering her fans an album full of emotions and stories that resonated deeply. Learn English through story. This period marked a milestone in Taylor's career, as she not only distanced herself from commercial expectations, but also embraced a more personal, challenging sound. Folklore and Evermore are the kinds of albums that reflect an artist at peace with themselves, unafraid to explore new facets. By stepping away from commercial production and focusing on what mattered most to her, Taylor found a new artistic space that brought much more than just music. It brought genuine connection with her listeners. But as we all know, she always has something more up her sleeve, so don't miss out on what's next in her journey. Topic 6. The controversy with Big Machine and the re-recording of her albums. After years of controversy involving her former label, Big Machine Records, Taylor Swift decided to take control of her own music. The dispute over the rights to the recordings of her first 6 albums led her to make a radical decision: re-record all of those albums. In 2021, Taylor started with the release of Fearless, Taylor's version, and Red, Taylor's version, bringing new versions of the songs that had marked her career. But what's interesting, she didn't just bring new versions, she also added unreleased tracks that were left off the original releases. This not only rekindled fans' love for the classics, but also showed Taylor's power over her own art. Learn English, use English through story. It's like she was rewriting her own history, now on her own terms. The re-recording movement wasn't just about financial gain. It was a fight for control over her own narrative and music. Taylor, who had always been dedicated to creating songs that connected her personal experiences with her audience, was now reclaiming what was rightfully hers. By releasing these re-recorded versions, she not only reclaimed her music, but also gained a new form of recognition and power within the music industry. The fact that she decided to include unreleased songs only added to the surprise and excitement of fans, like an unexpected bonus in a story that kept unfolding. English listening practice. This change in attitude and control over her career didn't go unnoticed. Taylor proved that, besides being an artist, she is also a visionary businesswoman, capable of turning even adversities into an advantage. She used her situation with Big Machine as a springboard to give a new chapter to her career, which not only strengthened her position in the market, but also earned even more respect from her fans and colleagues. And, as always, Taylor continues to surprise us. What's next in this story? Let's take a look at what comes next. Topic 7. Achievements and cultural impact. Throughout her career, Taylor Swift has not only broken sales records and won countless awards, but she has also become one of the most influential figures in global music. With her unique ability to turn personal experiences into songs that touch millions, she has won over not just fans, but also used her platform for various causes. Taylor has always been open about her political and social views, using her platform to support gender equality, women's rights, and other important issues. Her fans, mostly young people, connect with her in a way that goes beyond music. They see Taylor as an ally, someone who inspires them to fight for their rights and be authentic. Learn English. Cheer English, listening practice. And Taylor's accomplishments aren't just about awards. In 2019, she was named Artist of the Decade at the American Music Awards, a rare honor that only reaffirms how far she's come since her early days as an artist. In 2021, she was included in Time magazine's list of the 100 most influential people in the world, which is no small feat. She has become a true public figure whose actions and decisions reverberate far beyond music, creating a cultural legacy that crosses generations. EnglishThroughStory. Taylor's impact goes far beyond her music. She is an example of how perseverance, authenticity, and dedication can turn a young artist into a global icon. Her journey has not been without obstacles, but she has always used these difficulties to grow and inspire others to do the same. And this doesn't show any signs of slowing down. With more than a decade of success behind her, Taylor continues to be a powerful voice and a reference point for everyone, leaving her mark on both the music world and popular culture. So, what's the new word you've learned about Taylor Swift's incredible journey? Let's see if you know the meaning of reinvention or cultural impact. I bet you were so engaged in hearing how Taylor overcame every challenge in her career that now you're even more curious about what's next for her. And who knows, maybe you've also been inspired to pursue your own passions and overcome obstacles. Don't forget to leave a comment with the new word you've learned today. And if you want to keep up with stories like this and dive deeper into English, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications. Let's keep learning together.